your weapon of choice, and then let's do some wacky things.
Fine.
Whichever you want.
I'm going to get it from smallest to...
Go for it. Get the toffee apple. Your minute has started now. Go wacky. Nice. I think you're too strong for that one, to be honest. Because you're going to end up breaking it.
And this one.
No, that one's about right. That's not too bad. Nice. Try and break the tyre as much as you can. We have got a break in it. Oh, it's on the other side. That's alright, you can make a new break. Go for it. Oof! That's solid, that's good. Perfect! Nice, that's it. Jump off there. Nice, that's better. For that back leg, we're going to kick there, to the roundhouse, and then land that side. That's it, so you're going to kick there, then you're going to reverse it that way. That's it. So I come around, I go, okay, and then high, and that, and then I come from there, and I go. Here. So go down nice and low, so about here, that's it, so you go, bang, you kick it, okay, nice and high, so bang, kick it.
Round one.
That's it, and down again. It's all good, it's the front door. That's it, and then 2 slams. And another. Cool, and then we wait for the next bell. We go 4. For 12. Flamingo curls. Your legs got numb from sitting on it. Nice. What do you think, Poochie? Pretty good. It's doing really well. Hey, big boy.